Welcome to day 5 of my day trading diary, where I share my watch list and analyze my trades for you to learn from. Today is the 11th of August 2023, and the market is still heading lower as we are approaching this 444 area, and I expect it to test this level today. And I think we are gonna hold it and be bullish today. However, there's no guarantee in trading, so I'll have to see. So let's go over my watch lists for today. On the long side, we have Wayfair, which was strongly moving into this previous area of resistance and now is gapping up. And I'm gonna see if it's gonna hold this area of resistance as support now, with room to this 8710 area. The next one is GE, which broke this trend line yesterday with relative strength. So I might be interested in going long today. I might even trade it like this, because this is a really nice descending triangle. The next one is VFC, which looks like it's gonna break out of this consolidation after it failed to do so earlier. And the last one for my long watch today is Disney, which also had relative strength yesterday. If we have a look at the market, tanked and Disney was putting in this huge green candle. So if Disney holds this nice area of support, my target would be up here. On the short side, I have AA, which is gapping under this nice previous area of support, and if it turns resistance, my target would be the low of this candle. And the last one for today is CPNG, which has this huge gap and now is gapping into this gap, and I would be interested to short it up here, but it's not gonna fill the whole gap today, so my target would be up here. So the market is gonna open in 10 minutes and I'm gonna see you guys after the market session. Alright, market is closed, and as predicted, the market got rejected of this 444 area. However, it wasn't as quite strong as I thought it might be. If we have a look at like the 50-minute chart, after the first hour, the market basically went sideways. I took one trade today on GE. If you remember, I said earlier I might trade it like this, entry here, stop loss down here. However, as I was dwindling down to the 5-minute chart, I saw a break in market structure here as we formed a higher high and a higher low. So I entered here, stop loss was here, and I closed it at the end of the day, I believe 114.50 for about 1.3 R, minus fees and some slippage. I believe I had like a few cents slippage, so it was 1.2 R. If we have a look at my other ideas for the day, VFC would have been a good idea. However, I didn't like an entry. I could have traded 1 or 2 minute orb, opening range breakout, but that's something I really rarely do, as it's very vulnerable to stop hunting. If I trade this 5-minute candle, it's a 1-to-1 R for me, as my target would have been here. That's something I also don't really trade. Wayfair is getting rejected of this previous area of resistance, so it might go higher in the future. It didn't do today. I guess it was grabbing the liquidity under this candle here and here. So there wasn't an entry for me, but maybe on Monday. Definitely gonna have a look on that. I was completely wrong on Disney, which is okay, so I don't trade it. On the short side, AA nailed the supposed target, didn't get an entry. And CPNG I was also wrong, but that's okay. So it's about 1.2 hour for me today, as the market is still pretty choppy. So there aren't a lot of opportunities for me, as my strategy thrives in trending markets. So it's just mainly taking small little profits. But yeah, it's still a green day, so I'm happy about that.